Hello and welcome to Five Men Garden Pro. If you are looking to spruce up your front yard but don't want to break the bank, you are in luck. We have got simple and wonderful front yard landscaping ideas that won't cost you an arm and a leg. First up, let's talk about the power of a good lawn. A well maintained green lawn can instantly elevate the look of your front yard. And it doesn't have to be expensive to achieve. You can grow your own grass from seed or even use a low cost turf alternative like clover. But there's more to landscaping than just a good lawn. Consider adding some colorful flowers to your front yard for a pop of color. Perennials like daylilies and black-eyed Susans are easy to maintain and will come back year after year. Don't forget about mulch. Adding a layer of mulch around your trees and plants can help retain moisture and prevent weeds. Plus, it's an affordable way to give your landscaping a polished look. If you want to add some height to your front yard, consider installing a trellis or arbor. You can grow climbing plants like vines or roses up the structure for a beautiful natural look. Another budget friendly landscaping idea is to repurpose items you already have. Turn an old wheelbarrow into a planter or use old bricks to create a border around your garden beds. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of well-placed rock or two. Rocks can add texture and entrance to your front yard without costing a lot of money. So there you have it. The simple and wonderful front yard landscaping ideas on a budget. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can transform your front yard into a beautiful outdoor space without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching.